Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn about compositing, blending mode and opacity. So, we have imported a video and also a stock photo to see the changes. Double click on it, and you have here blend mode. So it is normal. Now we will change it to see the difference. You have many options here to choose as you like. Also you have the opacity here, to change the transparency of the photo. But remember, the blending mode works only if you have many colors, so with one color you will not see changes. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.